Tabletop exercises are supposed to reduce risk. But for insurers and auditors, intent isn't enough. They need proof. Within your pocket, every tabletop exercise starts with telemetry. We can see exactly who was invited, who opened the message, and who actually attended. That matters for insurance and compliance because participation isn't assumed. It's documented. If a critical role doesn't show up, that's not a failure of the exercise. It's a risk signal you can now measure and correct. Then comes the part most tabletop exercises avoid testing. Please open your incident response or continuity plan. In most exercises, people don't have it. They expect someone else to provide it, or they don't know where it's stored. Telemetry makes that gap visible in real time. For auditors, this shows whether plans are actually accessible. For insurers, it shows that response delays are structural, not accidental. When the plan is delivered directly through in your pocket, every participant receives the same current version instantly. That creates a defensible record. Who received the plan, when they received it, and how they engaged with it. After the exercise, telemetry becomes evidence. Evidence of communication, evidence of preparedness, evidence that response timelines are improving. In your pocket turns tabletop exercises into audit-ready artifacts and insurance-aligned risk controls. Because when a claim, renewal, or investigation happens later, you don't explain what you intended to do. You show what actually happened. It's in the name, zero-down software.